Oh, che. Far out. It's almost the end of the day and I've forgotten the kupu of the day. Forgotten all about the kupu of the day. Too busy doing karaoke. Or kara in the oki or whatever you want to call it. Anyway, today's kupu of the day or our place name is only going to be a short one. It's pretty much pronounced correctly anyway. But, I mean, there are the odd people that pronounce it with a wine. So, today's place name is Waihi. So, Waihi. Alright, Waihi. I have heard people stressing the Y part, like why, Waihi, like an Australian does. Sorry, my Aussie mates and my Aussie whānau over there, the Mozzies. So, yeah, Waihi. It's pretty straightforward. Repeat after me. Waihi. So the Y part, you know, it's just like saying the letter Y, but just don't stress that Y. Alright, it's a short Y. Y. And then the he part is like, oh, he said it. No, he done it. You know, he. Short he. Why he. Okay.